Hey everyone, welcome to Intellify. I am Khushi and here we are going to solve the questions of class 10 mathematics, chapter 12 areas related to circles. So here is the question number 3 which states that figure 12.3 depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of region representing gold score is 21 cm and each of the other bands is 10.5 cm wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. So here the solution is the radius of first circle will be the half of diameter. So as the diameter is given to us 21 cm, so we will half it and that gives us the answer 10.5 centimeter. Now we are going to find out the area of gold region. As we know the area of circle is pi r square, so here area of gold region is pi multiplied by 10.5 square, that gives us the answer 346.5 centimeter square. Now it is given that each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide, so the area of second circle will be 10.5 plus 10.5, that is we are adding area of first circle with the width, that gives us the answer 21 centimeter. So now we are finding out the area of red region. The area of second circle also encloses the area of gold region, so we have to find out the area of red region, that is from by area of second circle minus area of gold region. So here we are going to find out the area of second circle, which is pi r2 square minus area of gold region, that is 346.5 centimeter square. So by calculating it, we get the answer 1039.5 centimeter square. Similarly, we can find out the radius of third circle by adding the width in the radius of second circle, and we can find out the radius of fourth circle and we can find out the radius of fifth circle too. So it gives us the area of nth region, that is a general equation, that is area is equal to area of circle n minus area of circle n minus 1. So area of blue region, that is n is equal to 3. So area of third circle minus area of second circle gives us the area of blue region, and here we are finding out the solution. We are putting r is equal to 31.5 square, and by calculation we find out the area, that is 1732.5 centimeter square, and from this formula we can also find out the area of black region, that is n is equal to 4. That from the formula we get area of fourth circle minus area of third circle. We have to find out the area of fourth circle by putting the value of radius, that is 42. So here we are finding out the area of fourth circle and then subtracting area of third circle. So by calculation we get the answer 2428.5 centimeter square. So from this we are also finding out the area of white region, that is n is equal to 5, and from the general equation we get area of fifth circle minus area of fourth circle, and here the radius of fifth circle is 52.5, that we already found. So now putting it in the formula and then calculation, we get the answer 3118.5 centimeter square. Thank you for watching this video.